We're joined here by the Hayat family. We're joined here by religious leaders from San Joaquin County, from Lodi, from Stockton. And we're here to celebrate the ruling yesterday. We're also here to heal. This case affected the Hayat family. This case affected the Hayat family, the Lodi community, the Stockton community, and a young generation of Muslim Americans who saw one of their own convicted in a post-9/11 world while completely innocent. And it has to be meaningful healing to the community, because this case traumatized so many. And so today, we remember Hamid and the 14 years he lost of his prime in his life, sitting behind bars. And now 3 judges have shown that this young man is innocent. So today we celebrate. We celebrate and we ask U.S. Attorney McGregor Scott and the Department of Justice to show mercy and to allow this young man to immediately be released. Next we have Layli Sharani from the legal team that fought so hard over the years to show this young man's innocence.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Layli Sharani, Layli Shirani. I am overjoyed to be here today, and I stand here and I represent a group of dedicated individuals who've been working for 13 years toward this result. Some of us are here in the United States, and some of us are in Pakistan, and everybody is rejoicing. We are all elated, and as Bassem eloquently stated, we're just here today to turn the page and to celebrate this positive result and to bring Hamid home. With that, I will turn to Rahila Hayat, Hamid's sister, and we can take questions later. Thank you very much.
Assalamu alaikum, brothers and sisters. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Rahila Hayat, Raheelahayat. I'm Hamid Hayat's youngest sister. In the past 14 years, what we have lost is already gone. But we just want my brother back home. He has been innocent, and he will be innocent for the rest of his life until death. No one can ever pay back the 14 years of his innocence. And we'd like to thank Judge Burrell for making a statement in our family. We just want our brother back. And I want to tell the government, please end this now and release my brother from federal prison from Phoenix, Arizona today. Everything has ended. Please give us our brother back. We don't need anything else, just our brother back home with us. Thank you so much.
We'll take a few questions.
Team or Layli, are you concerned at all with the government's statement yesterday that they haven't made a decision on how to proceed now?
No, I think that I can't speak for the government, but speaking for myself, it was hours before I was even able to read Judge Burrell's opinion. In my case, it was for sheer joy and excitement. I think in their case, they need to take time to study that opinion and to and make choices about what their options are, what their next steps are.
Well, I mean, they would have the option of retrying it if they decided to go that route.
That is certainly their right.
Yes. Any other questions?
For the sister, it doesn't look like tears of joy behind you. What's the family feeling?
We're really thankful for Judge Burrell for making this decision, and we want him home. It's been 14 years, 14 long years. We want him home.
Have any of you been able to speak to your brother?
Yes, he's been calling Yasser all day long.
Can you tell us a little bit about that?
Dennis talked to him. Dennis gave him the news. He's really happy. We couldn't believe it, neither could he. And he said his counselor said, start packing your stuff. You're ready to go home by Thursday.
Did you speak with him as well?
Yes, we did.
Can you tell us about that?
When he called, I answered the phone. He was crying, so was I. We couldn't believe it that Allah showed us mercy. After 14 years later, that he'll be home with us. 14 years later, we'll be celebrating Eid together as a family.
Any other questions? All right, we want to thank everyone for coming, and our prayers and our hope that this government, the DOJ, and U.S. Attorney McGregor Scott show mercy to this family and our community by allowing Hamid to come home to his family and community. We look forward to welcoming him here in this region to celebrate him and the 14 years that he lost of his crime, and we'll be there by his side, by this young man's side, for the future. Thank you.
If you don't mind, I just want to say one final word. The collective effect of the magistrate judge's decision, which was issued in January, and Judge Burrell's, which we received yesterday, is, in our opinion, an effective finding of innocence. And we hope that that message is clear, that Hamid is an innocent man, and we hope that he will be restored and returned to his family as soon as possible. Thank you.
Do you need to file a motion of some sort seeking the release, or what's
Yes.
the next step?
Yes, thank you. Today we'll be filing a motion for his release.
And what's the timetable like? You said somebody mentioned Thursday. Is that just
Well, perhaps. It really depends. It depends on a number of things. For instance, we're still awaiting the government's decision as to whether or not they're going to oppose that. If they oppose that, then that will set a timetable for the court. So we need to wait and see what happens with that. Hopefully they'll hear what's being said here today.
That this was possible?
Did I believe Judge Burrell would make the decision?
Yeah.
No, I wasn't confident that he'll actually rule for us. He'll be with us in our decision, letting my brother out of jail. I wasn't even thinking that. I was just explaining to my mom for weeks and weeks, it's okay if he doesn't rule in our favor. There's a next step. We could go ahead and get him out from Supreme Court. We're always hopeful because we believe in Allah. Allah does everything.
I guess the national media shed some light on this.
Netflix documentary really helped us bring out the whole case from every point of view, from our lawyers, Dennis and Don, Layli and Marsha, Basim Okara. He helped us from day one, and from our point, what our story is, it's not even, no one haven't seen the full story of our family. From coming from Pakistan in 2005 till Hamid getting arrested, no one hasn't seen what we all have gone through.
Can you describe some of that? Of what you've gone through?
So that's what describe how what
Those
you've
all
gone
these
through.
years.
When the FBI came into our house searching for our house, they had gun pointed at us, and I was just 10-year-old, so could you imagine what a 10-year-old is going through? I lost my mom to medication. I didn't know what medication she's taking until the age of 13. She's been on Xanax and hydrocodone. If she doesn't take that all day, she's not doing well. No one can ever pay us back. We're just hoping now he gets out of jail. Release him, please, soon as possible.
And how's your dad?
He's the same as my mom. If he doesn't take mental health medication, he's not doing anything.
Do you have other siblings?
I have another sister, Najia Hayat, and a brother, Arslan Hayat.
Are you the youngest?
Yes, I'm the youngest.
And your brother, is he the oldest or in the middle?
Hamid Hayat is the oldest, my sister Najia. Second and third is Arslan, and fourth is me.
Do you guys still live in Lodi?
No, we live in Stockton.
Rahila, have you've been able to visit with your brother in prison, right?
Yes, we do visit him.
When's the last time you saw him?
Last time I saw him was back in 2014, and my mom seen him back in 2016.
talked to him today?
He hasn't called today, but last time he called yesterday was at 8:30.
What were the last words that you had with him?
He said that inshallah I'll be soon home. I said, Amin, you will be with us, celebrating Eid with us after 14 years later. And thank you for all coming and showing us your support and bringing this out to everyone in this world. Thank you so much. It really means a lot from Hayat family.
I'll take a